Chief Minister Biren Singh unveils 2.5 crore rupees project at Lai Chingkangsang. Technopal district urges unity among indigenous communities for peaceful coexistence. Manipur government plans cabinet meeting in Tamenlong. Minister inspects venue and coordinates with district officials. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma pays tribute to late MLA and Kayisi in Manipur, describes him as a respected leader. Schools in Manipur observe Puya Maitaba Day with black badges and flag at half-mast to honor historical significance. And Governor and Education Minister extend warm greetings on Manipur's 53rd Statehood Day, highlighting progress, unity and future development. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister Biren Singh today announced a 2.5 crore rupees development project to construct a sports complex with an indoor gym at Lai Chingkangsang village, Machi subdivision in Technopal district. He made the announcement during the Diamond Jubilee Camped 8th Biennial Sports Meet of the Old Marine Sports Association, AMSA, held at the village. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister stated that the funds would be allocated in the next budget, reflecting the government's commitment to promoting sports and youth development in the region. Chief Minister Biren also revealed plans to open a branch of the Employment Exchange Office in Machi subdivision and assured the blacktopping of the Palil Lai Chingkangsang approach road. Additionally, he promised to construct a women's market in the village and to examine proposals for a power substation and a primary health center. Addressing the audience, Biren Singh emphasized the importance of unity among Manipur's indigenous communities, highlighting their historical role in safeguarding the land. He also called for collective efforts to address challenges like drug abuse and unemployment among youth, reiterating the government's commitment to its war on drugs campaign. Water Resources Minister Awang Bao Newmai lauded the marine community's bravery and its youth's interest in sports. He highlighted the success of initiatives like Go to Hills and Go to Village missions, which have brought governance closer to rural areas. The program included the release of a Diamond Jubilee souvenir and the unveiling of a monolith at the AMSA Sports Complex, attended by senior officials, village leaders and residents. The Chief Minister also called for unity among Manipur's indigenous communities for peaceful coexistence. The Manipur government is planning to hold its cabinet meeting with Tamenlong district headquarters as the proposed venue. Scheduled for January 22nd, it is speculated that the meeting will take place at the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner's office in Tamenlong. In preparation for the event, Water Resources Minister Awang Bao Newmai, accompanied by Tamenlong MLA Zanghem Lungpanmei, conducted a site inspection and held a meeting with district-level officers and security personnel. The meeting, attended by the Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police and senior officials of the district, was aimed at ensuring smooth arrangements. The update was shared by Minister Awang Bao Newmai on the social media, reflecting the government's commitment to engaging with hill districts directly. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited Senapati district in Manipur on Monday to pay his respect to the late Sadubi MLA and Kayisi at the MBC MK Church compound. The Chief Minister was accompanied by former Meghalaya Health Minister James K. Sangma and other National People's Party NPP leaders, along with several MLAs from Manipur. During the condolence service, Conrad K. Sangma described Kayisi as a leader who was resolute in his thoughts and actions and who upheld the trusts of the people with great respect. In honor of the late MLA, the state government declared a half-holiday for the day. The service saw a large turnout of people from the district paying their tributes to the two-time MLA. As part of the lead-up to the 296th observance of Puya Maithaba Day, students across various schools in Manipur wore black badges under the aegis of the International Observation Committee on Puya Maithaba. The three-day observance, which began today, includes the symbolic act of keeping the Salai Tarit flag at half-mast, signifying respect and remembrance. The schools participating in the event include Manu English School, New Chekon, Healthy English School, Kurai Soibam Laikai, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, Lamjing Mera Sindam Sang, Paurabi, Konsam Tombi and Sachi School, Kurai Laishram Laikai, and Lighten Knowledge Higher Secondary School, Sangafam, Alpha BCI Memorial Academy, Thangmaiband, Vale Academy, Airport, Scholars Academy, Hyangtang, Universal Students Academy, Singjame, and Dynamic Education Foundation, Bamdar. The observance is aimed at honoring the historical significance of Puya Maithaba and instilling cultural awareness among students. On the occasion of the Manipur's 53rd Statehood Day, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla extended his best wishes and warm greetings to the people of Manipur. He highlighted that Manipur became a full-fledged state of the Indian Union on January 25, 1972, fulfilling a long-standing aspiration of its people. Governor Bhalla emphasized that statehood brought both responsibilities and opportunities, urging the citizens to seize these avenues for shaping their destiny and contributing to India's modernization. He acknowledged Manipur's progress in statehood and called for sustained development efforts to align with national growth trajectories. Governor Bhalla underscored the importance of pursuing welfare measures equitably to foster an egalitarian society where all residents feel included and valued. He concluded by urging collective efforts towards realizing a peaceful and prosperous Manipur. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar Singh also extended his heartfelt greetings to the people of Manipur on the 53rd anniversary of the state's Statehood Day. Reflecting on the state's journey since attending statehood, he highlighted the remarkable progress made in education, infrastructure, healthcare, arts, culture, and sports. He emphasized that Manipur's rich cultural heritage and traditions continue to serve as a source of inspiration for its people. The minister called on the citizen to renew their commitment to unity, peace, and progress, urging collective efforts to build a prosperous and developed Manipur. He expressed hope that the people of the state would work together to create a brighter future and uphold values that make Manipur a state to be proud of. Amid concerns over expenditure issue for Manipur's athletes participating in the upcoming 38th National Games in Uttarakhand, YAS Minister K. Govindas chaired a review meeting today with representatives of various sports associations. The meeting held at the Old Secretariat Conference Hall in Imphal was also attended by YAS officials and media personnel. The 38th National Games are scheduled to take place from January 28 to February 14 in Uttarakhand. During the meeting, it was decided that travel expenses and allowances for players and officials would be dispersed through direct benefit transfer, DBT, directly to their respective associations or individual accounts. This marks a shift from the earlier plan to route funds through the Manipur Olympic Association (MOA), which is reportedly facing internal disputes. Discrepancies in the number of players and officials proposed by the MOA were flagged, leading the minister to assert that final decisions would be based on data provided by the associations. Stressing the importance of transparency and accountability, Minister Govindas emphasized the need to send only genuine athletes, stating that participation in the game is a matter of state pride. He further urged associations to ensure players receive proper uniforms, kits and other essentials in line with the MOA's budget estimates. Manipur, known for producing Olympic-level athletes, must strive for maximum medal wins in the national games, he said, emphasizing hope for an outstanding performance by the state's contingents.
38 national games kharaning thijena pangthoknanaba amasung state ki lainiba huji lainiba yamna irang asida akhoi players sing simapung phana saruk ya hananabagi damakta honorable chief minister gi pawtak makhada ngasi si saruk ya gadoriba discipline pungo homdoi sigi association punamakta pause thajare haraga akhoi ngasi mifamasi pung mari dagi akhoi pangthok sabani players sing gi mogi travel allowance hajabatare travel allowance punamung sing se hangchitagi akhoi dvd gi makhada players sing gi si association sing da aduga ai chayen na balai ba association sing sigina akhoi players sing sige magi account sida direct benefit transfer gi makha da akhoi electronic amount sing si transfer tawba hojagani hana ai admaina thamjage.
Security personnel uncovered a cache of weaponry from the Lunkhongzang Riches area and the new Kaitil Manbi police station in Kangpokpi district on Sunday during a targeted search operation aimed at securing fringe and vulnerable regions of the Hill and Valley districts. The operation led to the recovery of a significant arsenal, including one 7.62 mm sniper rifle, 5 9mm pistols with magazines, 2 SBBL guns, and 2 number 36 hand grenades. Additionally, 6 live rounds of ammunition, 2 stun shells, a tear smoke shell chili variant, a regular tear smoke shell, and a Motorola handset were seized. This operation marks another milestone in the ongoing efforts to stabilize and secure the region. Requesting the governor of Manipur to take appropriate measures to restore peace and normalcy in the state, National Secretary of RPI Athawale, Maheshwar Thaunawjim submitted a memorandum today. The memorandum outlines several recommendations, including a military crackdown on Kuki-Zo militants and the enforcement of the Manipur Hill area's accusation of chieftainship Act 1962. Maheshwar also called for the deletion of nomadic Chin Kuki-Zo tribes from the state's scheduled tribe list and the abrogation of the tripartite suspension of operation agreement, which is set to expire on February 29, 2024. Additionally, he requested the scrapping of the free movement regime with Myanmar and the installation of an impenetrable border fence between Manipur and Myanmar. He also recommended the implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) with 1951 as the base year. Maheshwar emphasized that the current crisis in Manipur is a result of a calculated effort by leaders of the Chinkuki-Zo communities to create a separate homeland. He supported his claims with historical records and census data, including the migration of the Kuki tribe into Manipur in the 19th century and the state's tribal population data from 1949 census. In conclusion, the National Secretary urged the governor to take immediate action to address these issues in order to preserve the territorial integrity and peace of Manipur. Following the submission of the memorandum, Maheshwar conveyed the details of the meeting with the governor to the media in front of the Raj Bhavan.
कोई पार्टी साइड की थमजरम से सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट
Director, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Dr. G. Sunil Kumar Sharma also called on the governor at Raj Bhavan. He briefed the governor on the milestones and achievements met by the institute as a premier healthcare facility not only for Manipur but also for the northeastern region. Governor appreciated the continuous efforts of the institute for providing the best healthcare facilities in the region and asked to continue their efforts in the best interest of the people. The foundation for a fire service substation at Sawungbung in Imphal East was laid today by Lamlai Assembly Constituency MLA K.H. Ibomcha. Speaking at the event, MLA Ibomcha expressed his hope that the initiative would enhance safety measures and serve the people effectively. The event, held at the Sawungbung SDO office complex, was attended by Imphal East DC Kumanthem Diana and Fire Service Director L. Nabachandra, among others. Director Nabachandra highlighted that the Manipur Fire Service is committed to improving its infrastructure to respond effectively to emergencies. He further emphasized the importance of community support in strengthening the service outreach and efficiency. MLA K.H. Ibomcha stated that the establishment of the fire service substation at Sawungbung is a significant step towards addressing the safety needs of the region. He added that under the leadership of Chief Minister N. Biren, numerous developmental projects have been initiated in Lamlai, including a sewerage project, an IU's hospital, and other infrastructural improvements. In his address, he also mooted upgradation of the buildings of Bira Mangol College in Sawungbung into a multi-storied structure to uplift it in the international level. He urged the people to support development initiatives regardless of party affiliations and expressed confidence in the leadership of the Chief Minister in ensuring equitable growth across constituencies. A 10-member NSS team from Manipur University, led by Dr. Chaure Kanba of the Department of Dance and Music, was flagged off for participation in the National Integration Camp NIC 2025 by Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh. The camp, scheduled from January 21 to 27, will be held at Assam Agricultural University in Jorhat, Assam. During the flag-off ceremony at the university campus, Professor Lokendra highlighted that the camp would provide NSS members from various states an opportunity to interact and engage in discussions on key national issues such as patriotism, unity in diversity, and socio-economic development. He expressed confidence that the camp would foster a deeper sense of national pride and responsibility among the participants. The Vice-Chancellor also conveyed that a member from the Department of Anthropology, Manipur University, had received a special invitation from the Ministry of Youth to participate in the Republic Day celebrations, calling it a proud moment for the university.
National Integration KMC India ki patriotism, unity in diversity, and overall socio-economic development asi ki theme mayam sing ki makada tongan ba state ki lakdaba NSS ki participants NSS ki koi ki sing members sing sega yam properly interaction tawra game tominaga mayam punumak pra leminaga national harmony pra patriotism lena and socio-economic development si ki pandam da tawraga. I wish my best to the Manipur University team to be led by Dr. Chaure Kanba of the Department of Dance and Music, Manipur University.
The Lions Club of Imphal Central conducted an eye health camp under the theme An Eye for Vision at the Sangai Senior Citizen Home, Bashikong Kidnap Panung, and the Senior Citizens Home, Old Age Home, Kongba Nongthombam Lekai. The program, held in memory of late Maitan Kaishangbam Chow Bihal Devi and late Hazari Mayum Ibetombi Devi, was sponsored by Lion Hazari Mayum Suraj Kumar Sharma, Hazari Mayum Sachin Kumar Sharma, and Hazari Mayum Ongbi M. Brinda Saki Devi. A team led by Dr. Kangembam Rajendra, a renowned ophthalmologist, provided free eye health checkups and testing services to 30 residents of the homes. The Lion Club's pledge to provide free spectacles to those in need and extend support for cataract surgeries by facilitating free treatment at the State Ophthalmic Cell. The initiative was part of the Lions Club commitment to improving the health and well-being of senior citizens, ensuring that they receive essential medical care and support. As part of the ongoing National Road Safety Month, the Churachampur District Administration organized a wall painting competition on the theme Road Safety. The event, directed by Deputy Commissioner Darun Kumar S., was held today at Ringkai Government Higher Secondary School, Gandhi Memorial High School, and Pungkothang High School. Enthusiastic students participated, showcasing their creativity by painting powerful messages on safe driving and traffic rules. The competition aimed to engage the youth in promoting road safety and instilling a sense of responsibility towards creating a safer environment for all road users. Using vibrant colors and innovative ideas, students conveyed crucial messages about following traffic regulations, wearing seat belts, avoiding alcohol consumption while driving, and avoiding distracted driving. The Deputy Commissioner Shri Darun Kumar S. appreciated the students' participation and encouraged them to spread road safety awareness among their family, friends, and society. As the preparatory measures in view of the upcoming Republic Day, Noni Deputy Commissioner Dr. Sarat Chandra Aroju today chaired the district level officers DLOs meeting at the Noni DC conference hall. Briefing the DLOs during the meeting, DC instructed them to be prepared for the Republic Day celebration. Every DLOs were assigned their respective roles such as construction of gates, cleaning of the Long Mai 3 common ground, which is the venue for the celebration, arranging the march past contingent and other related activities. The common rehearsal for the celebration is slated on the January 23rd and the full dress rehearsal is scheduled on the January 24th, informed the Noni DC. DLOs of various departments under Noni district such as Police Department, PHED, Health, Horticulture, Forest, RB and PR, MSPDCL Cooperation, Fishery, DIO, DIPR, 19 Assam Rifle, Territorial Army, CRPF, Social Welfare, Agriculture, MSRLM, DRDA, and Education Department were present during the meeting. Ahead of the relocation of 15 internally displaced families comprising 57 individuals from the relief camp at Wangkai High School to a newly constructed relief camp at Tambalkong Sabalekai, Speaker T.H. Satyabata extended assistance to the camp residents and expressed hope for their early resettlement. During the occasion, Speaker Satyabata highlighted that his well-wishers had been supporting the needs of the Wangkai High School relief camp since the beginning. He reiterated his commitment to continue serving the displaced individuals and expressed his wish for their speedy return to their original homes once peace is restored in Manipur. Widrome Design Studio has been honored with the prestigious Best Healthcare Project of the Year 2025 award at the Global Architect and Builder Awards GABA for its exceptional work on the Babina Hospital in Manipur. The award, which recognizes outstanding achievements in architecture and construction, was presented at a glamorous ceremony held at the Crown Plaza in Dubai yesterday. The event saw architects, designers, and industry professionals from around the world come together to celebrate groundbreaking innovations and visionary designs. The Babina Hospital project was praised for its unique blend of cutting-edge architecture and patient-centered care, addressing both medical needs and creating a healing environment. This recognition highlights Huidrom Design Studio's commitment to advancing healthcare architecture not only in India but globally, highlighting its role in reshaping healthcare facilities with functionality and compassion at the forefront. A gun salute was performed in honor of the late Usam Rajain, also known as Loya, who served as the Finance Secretary of the Universal Friendship Organization, UFO, Yaripok Malum branch. The solemn ceremony was organized by members of the UFO Eastern Headquarters No. 1, Nongpok Sekmai Battalion. Usam Rajain, who dedicated his time and effort to the organization, was remembered for his significant contributions. Following the gun salute, representatives from the UFO Central Committee conveyed their condolences to the family of the deceased at his residence. The DGAR Men and Women Polo Tournament commenced at the historic Mapal Kangjebung today. The event is being organized by Assam Rifles as part of a civic action program in coordination with the Old Manipur Polo Association. The IGAR South graced this occasion as chief guest along with retired Lieutenant General K. Himale Singh and President Old Manipur Polo Association Dr. Konsam Sarat Chandra Singh. During this event, the IG emphasized on need for players to put in their best and strive to improve their talent. He highlighted the rich sporting heritage of Manipur and its historic association with polo. He exhorted upon the teams to preserve this unique legacy of Manipur. As many as total of 32 teams are participating in the tournament, of which 27 are men team and 5 are women team. Matches will be played up to February 8. 3 teams from the Assam Rifle will be participating in this event, including the Assam Rifle Women Polo team. A tragic incident occurred in North U Township, Rakhine State, as an airstrike by the military council reportedly killed 28 individuals, including prisoners of war and their family members, according to a statement from the Arakan Army, AA. The attack, which targeted an Air Force base in the Yangchuang regions, was carried out using a jet fighter that bombed the area 3 times. The victims included women and children who were among those temporarily detained at the base and were reportedly due for release. In addition to the fatalities, 25 others sustained injuries, with some critically wounded and feared to succumb despite receiving medical treatment. The Arakan Army has expressed concern about the rising airstrike campaigns by the military council and urged the public to remain vigilant about air danger. They also advise people to exercise caution while using the internet and mobile phones in light of the ongoing conflict. Before we go, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren Singh unveils 2.5 crore rupees project at Laiching Kangsang Technopole district, urges unity among indigenous communities for peaceful coexistence. Manipur government plans cabinet meeting in Tamenglong. Minister inspects venue and coordinates with district officials. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma pays tribute to late MLA and Kayisi in Manipur, describes him as a respected leader. Schools in Manipur observe Puya Maithaba Day with black badges and flag at half-mast to honor historical significance. And Governor and Education Minister extend warm greetings on Manipur's 53rd Statehood Day, highlighting progress, unity and future development. That is all the news we have at the moment. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Have a good night.